Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to block a country in Cloudflare. First, go and log into your Cloudflare account. Once inside the dashboard, you will see here your domains. So go ahead and click on the domain where you want to work with. Once inside the domain, on the left panel, go to Security. Then, under it, go to WAF or Web Application Firewall. Then for here, go to Custom Rules. Here, we will now put up a rule to block a country. So go ahead and click on this Create Rule. Give a name for it. Now for the field, click on the drop down. Then select Country. For the operator, choose Equals. Then for the value, you can now go and choose the country that you want to block. You can go and add another one if you'd like to. Now after that, for the action, click on the drop down, then select Block. Once everything is done, you can now go ahead and deploy your rule. And there you have it. You now block a country in Cloudflare. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.